How to add a NatWest debit card to Samsung Pay. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about if we can add a NatWest debit card to Samsung Pay. So let me just tell you that NatWest debit cards cannot be directly added to Samsung Pay according to the NatWest. So NatWest supports Apple Pay as well as Google Pay for debit card payments. To use Samsung Pay with a NatWest account, you may need to use a different payment method or consider using a supported digital wallet like Google Pay if your device is compatible according to the NatWest itself. So if you prefer downloading or using Google Pay, you can just head over to your Play Store or respective App Store and simply download and install the Google Pay from over there. And once you successfully download and install the application, you can just launch the application and select the option to add a new card and enter your NatWest debit card details from over there and just follow on the on-screen instruction to verify your card with NatWest. So once verified, you can use your NatWest debit card with Google Pay for contactless payments. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.